The year has written its rules in a binding scroll, that each month must offer the next a chance at living across our world. At changing the trees, at pushing the tides, at welcoming in new life. The year's own right hand might be called time, nudges the months along, letting them know when their turn is up. And now, February checks its watch and begins packing up its things. March will be here soon. This week, the snows have melted into the land, and icicles have given way to pools of sunlight and cautious crocuses. The snowdrops litter the land too, and I've enjoyed opening my curtains to small huddles of these beautiful flowers in the garden. I decided to spend my day off from the bookshop, enjoying the Merlins in all their splendor. My husband and I recently watched the new Wuthering film, and though I found it quite different to Emily Bronte's book, I could appreciate the cinematic artistry. Have you seen the film? I'd love to know what you thought. As you can see, despite having lots of playtime before settling down into our reading spot, my very needy spaniel decided this would be a perfect moment for me to throw his ball. Luckily, after a bit of persuasion, he curled up next to me and was rewarded with an energetic hike home. I hope you are having a good week, wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time.